Well, there you have it. That was our sea trial on the Insetta Boats 35 IFC hydro foil catamaran, which was really cool to experience. Congratulations to the guys for being innovative and trying something different, and you can tell they have succeeded at it. Although it was flat calm, we were doing 45 miles an hour, burning about 1.5 1.6, which is phenomenal. The turns with those inverted engines were excellent. You can tell that there's a difference on those turns. So few small details that they did to make their boats different, and they did a great job on it. Hopefully we get out there again on some rougher weather, but we hope you guys enjoyed that walkthrough and sea trial and learned a little bit of something today. Reach out to Insetta Boats if you want more information, and we'll gladly answer any of those as well. Thank you very much, Nick.